Hey guys, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. Well, this is at the time when I should tell you how we can access the Dynamics 365 environment, which is actually the trial version. So recently I uploaded a video. Well, this was for the full year where you can install the virtual copy of the operating system, which has all the things. So today, as in this video also, I told you that there is another way to access Dynamics 365. It is if it is only for the functional people, so we can access that system as well. So here in this video, I'll tell you how to quickly access Dynamics 365 for finance and operations, starting from scratch, how to create the account, how to access that test environment, and you do not need anything except just one thing. Either you should have your the organization account. If you have that, that is perfectly fine. If you don't have that, it's again fine. We'll figure out a way to do that. And the good thing about this thing is you do not need to have any kind of resources. Like here, we needed a good enough laptop which can have, SSD or hard drive, probably like something better for the performance and all. Here, we do not need any kind of resource or anything as such. We will directly access this environment via web browser. Okay. And prior to that, we'll try to set up an account. So in short, this is the Dynamics 365 trial version where no install is needed, because in the last video we installed and then I showed you how we can use the hypervisor and then install the virtual machine, use the existing hard disk and all. So that is for that thing, especially for the developers and all, because they want to access all sorts of environments and IIS services and all. But for the functional people, we really don't need that much of stuff. We can directly access this 30-day free trial version. The good thing about this is as soon as your trial expires, just make another account and you are good to go. Okay. Anyway, let's get started with this. So let me open the browser. So as I told you, the first thing is we have to go to the website called trials.dynamics.com. So trials.dynamics.com. This is a website. It actually it's modified a lot of times. So here, the first thing that we need to do is we need to sign in with the proper account. But obviously, we need to create the account first. So let me navigate to the service and try for free. Now it's asking me to enter the organization account. For example, if you are working in a company and your name is, let me say, abc.pqr at the rate of yourcompany.com. So if you put that account, I think you will be able to reduce quite a number of steps. But since everyone who wants to try Dynamics 365 for 30 days may or may not be working in a company, so what I'll do is I'll try to create the account from scratch, and then we'll start from there. So I have this dummy account. It's a simple Gmail account. Okay. So let me say start your free trial. And as you can say, please enter a work account for the best trial experience. Let me assume I am not employed. I don't have one. I'll click on set up a new account. Meanwhile, let me copy this. I'll click on set up a new account. And here I'll again say absolutely, I really don't have any new account as such. Click on next, and now the system will say looks like you need to create a new account. Well, this is the account that we will need so that we can access this trial version. Continue. Yes, please set up my account. Remember guys, if you are entering your company email there, like abc.pqr at the rate of your company.com, this whole step, this will not be there. You will directly be able to access the trial environment, and all these sorts of formalities will not be there. So that is like a quick way to go there. But if you do not want to use your organization account, well, these are things that you have to do. So let me, fill these basic details. Let me fill my name, my last name, business phone number, company name. Let me say whatever it is, ABC Systems Private Limited. Obviously, I need to, I can select anything. Let me say I'm working in a small company. Yeah. This looks good enough. Region, make sure to select the correct region. Why? Because we'll be getting that PIN code and all on our phone number. So let me select my region. It's India. Click on next. And it's, yeah, so it's saying for verification, text me or call me. Well, I'm saying please send a verification code. Verification code is sent. Let me see if okay, I just got this. Let me enter the verification code. Looks good enough. I'll try to verify this. Once the verification is done, now guys, see, this is the most important thing. Now what the system is trying to do here is they want to assign the proper domain. I mean your ID, then dot on microsoft.com. Basically this is going to be you can say your login. Okay, so vipinkumar.abc private, this looks a little bit untidy. Let me say 7790. Let me try to save it if it looks good enough. Okay, this name is not available. Weird. Okay, let me say 1 2. I suppose this should be there. Okay. Meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll write down this username, Vipin Kumar @ 779012 dot on Microsoft.com. Looks good enough. Vipin Kumar @ 779012 dot on Microsoft.com. Okay, I'll try to enter my password here. So let me enter my password, confirm the password. So now it's saying by selecting next, you agree to our trial and agreement. Yes, we do. And I'll just click on next and click on next. So basically this is the main thing. A lot of people, they are confused at this stage only, like of what should we, I mean, with which account should we sign in. So it's not exactly user friendly because, it took me quite a number of trials just to get here. I tried with Dynamics 365 Sales. It was saying something else. But I just don't know. This trials.microsoft, it keeps on changing a lot actually, because of continuous upgradations and all. Okay, so first name, last name. I think everything looks good enough. Let me type anything here. Anything will work. I just want to see which are the red dotted fields. City, let me try. New Delhi. State, New Delhi, new. Mm-hmm. Let me select Tamil Nadu. This looks good. Chennai, postal code. Yeah, I'll try to save this. Hopefully I won't get any error that something is missing. I suppose the details are saved now. I don't have one. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's asking me for just typing something random. Maybe it will work. Let me see. Trying to save it. It's random. Hopefully this should work. Come on. It's taking a bit longer. Thanks for signing up. Okay, thank you. So yeah, see, it's actually showing this. I think I've already copied this thing. But anyway, to avoid the typos, we've sent a confirmation email. Okay, get started. We are actually directed to the admin power platform and the environments. Okay. So now it's asking us choose name. Let me choose VK test environment. Trial based. Yeah, looks good enough. India default purpose. I think this is fair enough. Click on next. Yeah. Okay. Language, currency. Yeah, I think it looks good enough. Click on save. These are some sort of formalities that we need to do. But as you can see, we are in the admin power platform environment, and our new environment VK test env has been successfully created. So select the environment and click open to use. So we can see our environment is there already. Okay, so open environment. This is again the environment, open environment, the default. Let me try to, you know, just click here, click on open environment. So this is actually, this will directly take us to the trial environment for which we've been waiting. But guys, let me tell you something. This is the trial environment for which this is the trial environment using this username and ID. But remember, this is the trial environment. And if you remember correctly, we were actually looking for something different. Let me tell you, this is not the Dynamics 365 environment. This is the environment for the Dynamics 365. I think we were looking for sales or what? Hold on, let me see. This was for the customer service, I suppose. Yeah. So this was the customer service. And in this way, we can get the customer service also. So right now, our environment is being prepared for the customer service, but we need it for Dynamics 365. So what I'll do is I'll go back again to the Dynamics 365 trial. So our main agenda was to get this particular user ID and the password. We already know the password. Well, in this way, you can create the environments for these related and related products like D365 sales, D365 customer service, field service. But now I just want it for my supply chain and finance and operations. So for that, what I'll do is I'll quickly click on sign in. So sign in, and then I want to sign in with my ABC systems. So yes, I want, and I think I'm already signed in. And now I want Dynamics 365 finance and operations. Well, in this way, you can, create environment, the test environments for everything for D365 sales, for D365 customer service. But right now, okay, now I'm logged in, guys. So this was a thing that I just wanted to do, Now what I'll do is I'll click on products and I'll click on supply chain management. As soon as you go to the supply chain management, where it is, let me take, I'll click on request a demo. Okay. So in the demo, we'll get two options that either we can contact a Microsoft partner. I just don't want to do that. I'll just click on sign up for a free trial. I'll click on sign up now. So it is going to take us to the same process. But since we've already created our account and we are logged in with that particular account, so let us see what else we need to do now. So guys, you can see that our D365 customer service, so this whole trial environment is ready. Similarly, we are going to do for Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. So anyway, right now I'm here on the account sign up page. I'm already logged in with the required ID I wanted, and this process would have been a little bit more easier if you try to access this using your own organization account credentials. But I presume that most of us will try this way. So anyway, this will take a little bit of time to load up, and it will ask for, the process will be a little bit same. So this is how you can set up the environments for D365 sales, D365 other applications, as we can see, customer service and all. So I'll close this one. Power platform, each and everything. This is ready for this one. I just want to close this also because I want for D365 finance and operations. Come on, load quickly. This website is, it's slow sometimes. Even when the environment is created, sometimes it's throwing some sort of errors. But anyway, I suppose this is for the trial version, so it's palpable. Let me click again. Maybe it will open. Okay, great. Let me close this. So it's again saying enter your email address. Obviously, I'll just copy this, paste this, click on next, continue as signed in. Yes, sign in. We really don't need to do a lot here since we've already created our Dynamics, the required email, the required login. So we really don't need to fill up all that information and again. Okay, so I'll just select my country, and I would like, okay, blah blah. Please let me get started. It's been a while. Okay, so thank you for signing up and all. And if you have, if you want to invite someone else, it's actually free. You can invite quite a few other users. I really don't want to do that. I don't want to send invitations. I just want to skip and go to Microsoft D365 for operations. Your user ID is this. Yes, I already know it. Please get started. Now, guys, this is the page that we will finally get, and somehow I just logged me out. Anyway, let me try to log in again, because that was the page where Dynamics 365 was preparing the test environment. By agree, okay, accept, all right, accept. Oh, this is navigating me to somewhere else. ABC systems and all. I just don't want to go there. I don't know how I came here. Anyway, let me try to do this again. Sign up now. Yes. Okay, get started. Okay, so this, yeah, I was saying of this. So this page will actually take 15 to 30 minutes. Actually, last time it took me 40 minutes. Sometimes it's actually taking 12 to 13 minutes. I think this depends on the Microsoft servers, how long, and they are just going to take for this. So this is the stage where you want to get to. If you are getting to this stage, believe me, your environment will be ready in a couple of minutes. So what I'll do is I'll try to pause my video now, and I'll just resume it as soon as this thing is done. Okay, let me try to pause this, pause recording. Yep. Guys, it has already been a few minutes, and I think this is going to take some good amount of time. But anyway, I'll try to keep the recording on the paused mode. But anyway, I'm just telling you that there is nothing else in this video. If you are able to reach this step, then you will actually get the email also to the link of the environment. And, you will be directly able to just figure out. You just have to click that link, and that is all. You will be directed to the required environment, which you can use for 30 days. And the good thing is, as soon as that thing expires, just just redo the damn process again. And you, in this way, you will always have the test environment to test, just to learn Dynamics 365 finance and operations. Do whatever you want. Every time it will be a new and a refreshed environment. But for 30 days, you can definitely, 30 days is a good amount of time. That too, you're getting it for free. So I hope this was a good tutorial how you can set up your 30-day free trial environment for Dynamics 365 for other features as well, like the D365 sales, the D365 customer service, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'll just wait for a couple of 5 or 10 minutes. If it happens, it's okay. Anybody, this was all like about how to set up your environment. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I'll just try to wait for 2-3 minutes more if it goes okay. Otherwise, I'll just close the video. Feel free to reach out to me if you face any kind of issues or problems. But this is the final stage in which your environment is getting ready. Like, there is nothing else I need to tell you after this. Just will have to show that environment which you already know. Anyway, I'll try to pause it and wait for a little bit longer if possible. Otherwise, I'll just close it. Okay. All right, guys. So after some time, I was able to get this working. It just took a few minutes more. So yeah, so this is the welcome message that you will get. Just click in, dive in, and if you just want to, I just say let's get started. One more thing, I've already found this, and even like I've tried it multiple times. You will always get, this sort of error. But the thing is, you really don't need, to bother about this one. Just click on this close and you will have all the data that should be present. Basically, it's a copy of Contoso environment. You have all the legal entities and each and everything. It will work fine the way you want it. So you can see all the data is already present here. And just choose your company in which you want to work. I personally think USMF is much better when it comes to trial and testing. It's a manufacturing company. Okay, so like this is the data, and yeah, so this is how you can access this 30-day trial version. Every module, each and everything is present just the way it is. It's absolutely fresh copy of the test system which Microsoft D365 provides by default. I hope you will be able to work on this system now and just test and try whatever new features, new learnings, whatever you want. Just try it on this environment. This is the link. Always make sure to copy down this link, and yes, you can use it for 30 days. After 30 days, as I already told you, just repeat the whole damn process again. Well, this was all in this video. I hope you are able to learn something new from this. Thank you very much, and yeah, see you next time.